Join me in celebrating Inserv's 20th anniversary. For 2 decades, we've been dedicated to providing trusted, responsive solutions to our clients in Mishawaka, Indiana, and to each new community as we expanded our locations. Join us as we look back at our incredible journey. In 2003, a small group of visionaries set out to create a company that would change the landscape for environmental solutions providers in northern Indiana. Their dream was to establish a company that would be trusted by its clients, responsive to their needs, and always provide innovative solutions. Little did they know what the next 2 decades would hold.
When we started Inserv, we wanted to build something special. We want our clients to know that they could trust us implicitly.
Being responsive to our clients was and still is one of our core values. We never wanted to be just another company. We strive to be a partner with our clients.
I remember those days vividly. It was just a handful of us working around the clock to meet our clients' needs.
Inserv quickly gained the trust of its first clients. Through hard work and dedication, we became a vital part of their success stories. Over the years, our team has grown and evolved. We've always focused on attracting the best talent, and that's been a key factor in our success.
I enjoy working here. It's kind of like family.
I enjoy working here because we're not just solving problems, we're making a difference in our community.
In order to help diversify our service offerings, we expanded our service locations and invested in equipment and people. Today, Inserv offers a wide range of services, including hydro-excavation, rail services, waste processing and disposal, transportation, projects, construction, emergency response, seasonal de-icing, and dust suppression, helping businesses thrive in a rapidly changing world. But it's not just about business. We believe in giving back to the community that has supported us over the years. Inserv has been actively involved in various charitable initiatives, making a positive impact on Mishawaka and the other communities where we operate.
Inserv's commitment to our community is commendable. They don't just talk about it, they actively participate in making our community a better place.
I am excited to participate with other committee members and identify opportunities for our company to engage in meaningful community projects. Together, we can make a difference by supporting local nonprofits, participating in volunteer events, and advocating for causes that align with our values.
As the company grew, safety remained paramount. With each milestone achieved and every expansion undertaken, the unwavering commitment to safety persisted as a cornerstone of our operations.
I feel that at Inserv, we have a culture where safety is a collective effort. We look out for each other, encourage safe practices, and intervene when necessary. It's about being a team and prioritizing each other's well-being.
We provide regular safety training and workshops to help enhance our awareness and skills. Whether it's proper equipment use, emergency procedures, or hazard recognition, we've got you covered.
As we celebrate our 20th anniversary, we're proud to continue the tradition of putting our community, clients, and employees first.
At Inserv, we believe in open and transparent communication with our clients. Their success is our priority.
In addition to helping our clients meet their environmental goals, we are committed to reducing our own environmental impact.
Today, we celebrate 20 years of Inserv. We've come a long way from our humble beginnings, but our commitment to being trusted, responsive, and innovative remains stronger than ever.
Thank you to our incredible team, our loyal clients, and our supportive community. Here's to 20 years of success and to many more years of providing supportive, responsive services.
As we look forward to the future, we're excited about the opportunities ahead. Together, we'll continue to make a difference in the communities where we operate. Inserv, 20 years and counting, still leading the way in trusted, responsive solutions. Thank you for being part of our journey.